Welcome to Tikka Meeta. Today I'll be showing you how to make brinjal and potato fry my style. This is a snack which you can make when you have unexpected guests or simply when you feel like. So let's get started. This is a very easy recipe to make yummy pakoras. You can make these pakoras using any vegetable available at home. I have used potatoes and brinjal here. So you will need 1 eggplant sliced in rings, 1 potato sliced in rings, 1½ cup of chickpea flour, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, a small bunch of fresh coriander finely chopped, oil to shallow fry, salt as per your taste. In a bowl, take the chickpea flour and start adding the spices one by one. Turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, salt, fresh coriander, and mix this with very little water. Add water only if required, as we need a thick batter. In a pan, heat the oil and pour enough to shallow fry. Dip the potatoes and the brinjal one by one into the batter. Coat them evenly and place them adjacent to each other in the pan. Fry each side for almost 4 to 5 minutes or till golden brown. And easy, yummy pakoras are ready. If you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe my channel. Until next, ciao!